What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at some gameplay with the DIAMATTI pistols. These things are absolutely cracked and I definitely suggest you using them. I was running it with a quick scoping Kar 98 class, which is very effective. Before we get into the video, please make sure to drop a like, comment, and if you're new here, don't forget to sub and turn on the notification bell. Hope you guys enjoy. For the DIAMATTI class, I was running the agency suppressor, task force barrel, ember sighting point, 24 round speed mag, and the airborne elastic wrap. And then for the Kar 98 class, I was running the monolithic suppressor, tac laser, sniper scope, F-tac sports cone, and the stippled grip tape.
Rebirth is AIMBOT.
So,
Shit,
Objective is to eliminate the bounty target.
Fucking mistake.
Overhead.
Prison roof.
I'm under fire.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Something.
There are 24 enemies still out there. Kill them all.
Oh my goodness. Musa.
Ah, so there they are. Contact.
Fire sale is active. Fire sale.
Another one pushing. Oh.
Enemy UAV overhead. Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. Fire sale's done. Prices are back to normal.
Coming.
oh, these are bad, bro.
Did you quick serve?
Oh no.
I'm taking hits.
Other guy?
One left.
I'm taking hits. Target eliminated.
I'm taking fire.
Down one.
Bastards are targeting me.
Target remain standing. Sort them out.
Lucky.
You're lucky I was here.
19.
Contact.
Huh?
How many O's are underneath us?
Enemies in the area.
So some. Oh my god.
I'm taking hits.
No!